Okay, let's check our work in the problem solving section. It says use tools. First, I'm going to read the word problem to make sure I understand all the words. Then I'm going to read it for the information. Do not get tripped up by just going for the numbers. You never know if it's going to be a multi-step. So here we go. Stephen has a log that is 8 feet long. If he cuts the log into pieces that are 2 feet long, how many pieces will Stephen have? Okay, I know those words. Stephen has a log that is 8 feet long. If he cuts the log into pieces that are 2 feet long, how many pieces will Stephen have? So I'm looking for how many pieces he's going to have. I know that I have a log that's 8 feet long. 8 feet long. And I need to divide it into 2 feet long pieces. Right? 2 foot long pieces. Something like that. So how many pieces will Stephen get? 8 divided by 2. So I have 2 pieces. 2 is my divisor. And I need to keep going until I have 8 dots or 8 squares. So how many pieces? 4. Write the equation. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. You have to have this filled in order to get this question correct, by the way. All right, write a word problem that can be solved by using the division equation. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. All right, so we need to write a word problem. Remember, you want your reader to find the 3. So, what if I have Susie has 18 donuts? Because donuts just sound tasty right now. She wants to share them equally with herself and 5 friends. How many donuts will Susie and her friends each get? All right. Because I included Susie, my number 5 makes sense now. Herself and 5 friends. That's 6 total. So 18 divided by 6, they each get 3 donuts. Lucky people. It's okay if your word problem is different from mine. Totally allowable. We all are thinking differently. As long as you start off with your dividend of 18, your divisor of 6, and your quotient equals 3. All right, let's see what's missing. 6 times 6 equals 32 blank 4. Well, what's 6 times 6? It's 36. So I need this to equal 36. How do I get that to happen? I add. So addition. All right, 19 minus 15. Let's write it out the way I like it. 9 minus 5 is 4, and that's a 0. So I need this to equal 4. 12 something 3 equals 4. Am I going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Well, I know that 12 divided by 3 equals 4. How about this one? 40 divided by 8 equals 35, 7. Let's do the one we know. 40 divided by 8. 8 times what equals 40? That's 5. So 35, 7, and I need it to equal 5. Am I adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? I'm going to divide because 35 times what equals, or 7 times what equals 35? Well, 7 times 5 equals 35. So you should have addition, division, division. All right, how'd you do? I'm hoping you did pretty good. On the next 2 pages, you have graded practice. You are still dividing by 8. Make sure that you're using all of your strategies You have using an array, using your tool, which is making an array on a grid. You have fact families. You could do repeated division. You could do groups. You could make just an array. Fact family still. Whatever you're most comfortable with, that's what I want you to use to do the next problems on the next couple of pages. Please make sure you show your work. You will be showing your journal today, so if you don't have enough space on your ClassKick pages, go ahead and show your work in your journal, and then you can show that in your video at the end with your exit ticket. All right, guys, as always, if you have questions, please let me know. Happy math time.